Hey guys, it's Desiree and welcome to another one of my cooking videos where I take a recipe from my food blog, Rican Vegan, and show you how to make it. In this video, I'm making a Jamaican jerk stew with a plant-based twist by using chickpeas instead of meat. What makes the stew great and flavorful is the seasoning you add. For this stew, I'm using Jamaican jerk seasoning from Raw Spice Bar. It's a website where you can purchase individual spices like the one I'm using for this recipe, or you can sign up for their spice subscription service where you could get a different spice kit every month. Their spices are made with high quality ingredients, and they even sell spices that are salt-free, which is perfect if you're watching your salt intake. This Jamaican jerk seasoning is a combination of thyme, allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, black peppercorn, onion, garlic, cayenne chilies, and habanero chilies. They come in these resealable envelopes to keep the spices fresh, and you get enough for 3 to 4 dishes. I want to thank Raw Spice Bar for sending me the seasoning for this recipe. Heat a large pot over medium-high heat and add some vegetable broth. Add the onions and cook them for 5 minutes. Add the carrots, potatoes, garlic, and ginger and cook for 15 minutes. Add the peas, spices, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, salt, chickpeas, vegetable broth, and bring to a boil. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes or until the carrots and potatoes are fork tender. Serve over your favorite grain and enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. Thanks again to Raw Spice Bar for providing the Jamaican jerk seasoning for this recipe. If you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notified of when new videos are up. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.